that thing has to go in here, and we have to cut these spout walls. There's spout walls here, a whole bunch on the top. It's quite a bit here in the floor here, two, and then a whole lot of spout walls right here. So let's go. Done your job correctly, all of this should be cut out, be able to pop right off. Now that that's off, we gotta do everything in reverse. Put that in here. Gotta clean those spout wells. Put my water primer prepping. That's how you easily transfer the holes. Almost prepped out. I'm doing the same all around. We have that thing prepped out. I gotta do some water primer, and after that we'll be all ready. So the water primer is done. All the panels are prepped. That and the new bedside. I'm gonna start with the little bracket that was here, and we'll go. Well, that's ready. Our spark reflector is ready. Clamps are in place. Let's get it done. Ooh. And after all said and done, that is how it looks. Brand new bedside is fully done. Like I said in the video, I forgot to mention this wheel arch has a panel bunk all the way here, well, like halfway from here to here. So that thing is done. It also has a section here, little reinforcement sticking out like that. This is panel bunk as well. So this thing is done. I'm gonna just finish up this top corner and door. Got some lace on it, so I'm gonna finish that up, and then we'll give you guys a final product update from there. Now with the bed back on, came back from pay, we put the bed back on the truck. The top corner was there, door was right there, so now we gotta put it all back together. Last little update, truck is fully done, brand new bedside, brand new panels, stone bars, front and rear, door is ready, brand new moldings all around. Everything is done. It's gotta go get washed and go home. Last little update, truck is fully done, brand new bedside, brand new panels, stone bars, front and rear, door is ready, brand new moldings all around. Everything is done. It's gotta go get washed and go home.